Welcome to September, everyone. Definitely the end of summer. Nice to be in Mark's studio. Here we go. What a summer. I've gone and discovered a brand new lover, and she is still with me. She said she loves the way the leaves fall from the trees, end of summer. But we like to nuzzle under the covers. I like to think she's mine. She keeps on coming back to me time after time, time after time, time after time. She's full of surprises, the passion in me when I look at her rises. Still I can't explain. I long to hold her hand in the pouring rain. I can't see the point in pushing her away. I long to hear the words that she does not say, but it's mostly okay. She still lets me know in the most amazing way she's not going away, not going away, not going away. The starlight becomes her. I can't shake the feeling that somehow I love her. God, what a prize. She can level me just with one look from those eyes. I've tried my very best to outrun her, but what's the point in searching for another when all of the time I'm thinking about where we're going next summertime, next summertime, next summertime. Thank you.